Hello and welcome to another episode of Trains App, and today we are at Didcot Parkway, situated on the Great Western Mainline, where you'll be seeing services from Great Western Railway, cross country, and with any luck, some freight as well. There is 66061 and 66122 for DB Cargo UK. Down there is another DB Cargo UK Class 66. I don't know what they were doing. They've been here for a while now, but I don't know what they would have been working previously. Something extravagant, I'm sure. Station's changed a hell of a lot since I've last been here. Not least because of the new catenary. It's traversing a lot of the network now, although it still isn't 100% complete. It just amazes me it's taken them so long to get their acts together. They've stalled it, they've upped the price, then when they do make a start on it they encounter a problem and pause it for God knows how long. So, anyway, let's see what shall turn up here at Didcot Parkway. Okay, our first train of the day is going to be a cross-country Voyager. I'll tell you where it's going in just a moment. It's quite cute. 220001. She is off to Newcastle. Okay, and the next train to arrive is going to be the 1311 Great Western Railway service to Oxford. Leading the way is 165112. On the rear is 165121. And now departing is the 1311 Great Western Railway service to Oxford. Okay, the next train drive is going to be the 1313 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington, coming in from Worcester Shrub Hill. Calling at Reading, Slough and London Paddington. One 215 is at the front. I should get the rear upon her departure. Oh, hello. Off we about turn. Here we have 3029 with the Welshman 43 on the rear going to Cheltenham Spa, as 166215 is now departing with the 1313 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. And on the rear is 166220. I knew the service to Cheltenham Spa was passing through, but that came through early. I was supposed to come through 18 minutes past. I was not expecting that one. Nice though. Okay, the next train to pass by is another cross-country Voyager. Oh, and there's one behind me as well. (220.027). Great series of tones from them. Here we have 221119. Alright then, up in the distance is going to be the 1328 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. This is working a service from Plymouth. I shall obviously get the numbers for you upon their departure. Okay, and the next train to arrive is going to be the 1329 Great Western Railway service to Swansea. (43164) at the front. Oh, look who's on the rear. 43185, Great Western. You've got to love that intercity livery. I so deeply wish that Great Western Railway would apply the full thing to a set. Yeah, that would just be ideal. Okay, getting into the party is going to be the 1428 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. (43191). Red arrows 43155. Okay, the next train drive is going to be the 1339 Great Western Railway service to Hereford. (43086) at the front. And I'll get the rear for you when she departs. Okay, get ready to depart. It's the 13:39 Great Western Railway service to Hereford. Is 43,015. Okay, the next train drive is going to be the 13:47 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. And as ever, I shall get the numbers upon her departure. And the next train drive is the 13:50 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. .165 101 is at the front, and she'll get the rear when she departs. As now departing is the 13:47 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington, with 43,152 at the front. As we have the Southall to Moreton on local tarmac train about to pass by. .66065. There's 43,124. As 165 101 is now departing with the 13:50 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. And on the rear is 165 134. Alright then, giving off a brilliant two-tone is a cross-country Super Voyager. that is working a service to Reading, so that will be coming from Newcastle Central. Okay, the next train to pass by is another cross-country Voyager. Two 20021. Okay, the next train to pass by is a Great Western Railway high-speed train service from Bristol Temple Meads to London Paddington. Also to know from the driver. We've got to try and catch the numbers now. Sorry, 136 and 133. And she wasn't hanging about. Okay, now coming in is the 1413 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. The 1353 Great Western Railway service to Plymouth is heavily delayed and won't be pulling in until 1423. I believe that's 165126. Yes, it is. Now she'll get the rear upon her departure. Okay, getting ready to depart is going to be the 1413 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington. Turn from the driver there, thank you very much. On the rear is 166210. Okay, the next train to pass by is a DB Cargo UK Class 66 working a service from Southall to... oh, sugar, where was it? Sevenside. $66 111. She's top and tailing with 66125. That absolutely stinks. I've not seen one of those trains in a while. Ooh, how I don't miss them. Okay, the next train driver is going to be the 1416 Great Western Railway service to Oxford. Leading the way is 165127. And on the rear is 165116. Okay, now departing is the 1416 Great Western Railway service to Oxford. Okay, now coming in is the heavily delayed 1353 Great Western Railway service to Plymouth. At the front we have 43198, Oxfordshire 2007. On the rear is Reading Panel Signal Box 43142. Okay, the next train to pass by is a cross-country Super Voyager. (221-135). Okay, pulling in now is a rather unexpected Great Western Railway high-speed train service to London Paddington. So I'll be sure to get you the numbers when she departs. Okay, the next train to pass through is going to be a cross-country Voyager service bound for Manchester Piccadilly. (220-013). Okay, and our final train of the day is going to be the 1428 Great Western Railway service to London Paddington, coming in from Bristol Temple Meads. (43-181) at the front. Is 43-010. And as she continues onwards, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you've liked what you see today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment. I do get back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. I've thoroughly enjoyed filming here at Didcot Parkway, bearing in mind it's a Sunday, so the services aren't going to be as frequent or as often as as frequent, just leave it at that, as any other day. I think it's been absolutely fantastic. The two freight trains that I caught, they were a nice little bonus, especially the last one, because that just stank and that's horrible. Various cross-country voyages, the unexpected Voyager passing through platform 3, then we had the two high-speed passes, and obviously we saw the Welshman and 43185. That definitely has to be the highlights livery of this afternoon's visit. But my next film will be from Lancaster and Oxenholme on the northern end of the West Coast Mainline. So, until next time, from me, here, at Didcot Parkway, I shall see you all later. Take care guys, goodbye.